Welcome to the Food Tech. In today's video, we're diving deep into Whey Protein Concentrate, WPC. Whey Protein Concentrate, WPC, is a major derivative of the liquid whey obtained as a byproduct of cheese manufacturing. It is produced through various processing techniques that remove a portion of the lactose, minerals, and water, thereby increasing the protein content. WPC plays a critical role in dairy technology due to its superior functional properties and high-quality protein content. WPC 35 is commonly used in bakery and confectionery products due to its high lactose and fat content. WPC 80 is preferred in sports nutrition and protein-enriched foods due to its high protein concentration. Processing of whey protein concentrate. The production of WPC involves multiple steps to ensure effective concentration of protein while maintaining its functional and nutritional integrity. The key stages include whey collection and clarification. The liquid whey is collected from cheese production. It undergoes clarification to remove residual fats, casein fines, and other impurities. Membrane filtration. Ultrafiltration is used to selectively concentrate whey proteins while allowing lactose, minerals, and water to pass through. Microfiltration aids in removing larger particles and casein residues. Diafiltration. This step involves washing with water to further reduce lactose and mineral content, leading to higher protein purity. Evaporation and spray drying. The concentrated whey protein solution is subjected to evaporation to reduce moisture content. It is then spray-dried to produce a fine, stable powder with minimal heat-induced denaturation. Final processing and standardization. The WPC powder is standardized to maintain a consistent protein, fat, and lactose profile. It undergoes quality testing to ensure compliance with industry standards. Functional properties of WPC. It exhibits excellent functional properties that make it valuable in various food applications. Solubility. Highly soluble in water, making it suitable for beverages and protein shakes. Emulsification. Acts as an emulsifier in dairy-based and bakery products. Gelation. Forms gels upon heating, beneficial for meat and processed food applications. Foaming. Enhances foam stability in whipped toppings and desserts. Water binding. Improves texture and moisture retention in processed foods. Nutritional benefits of WPC. High-quality protein. Contains all essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Rich in branched-chain amino acids. Supports muscle synthesis and recovery. Digestibility and absorption. Rapidly absorbed, enhancing post-exercise recovery. Any immune-boosting peptides, bioactive peptides such as lactoferrin, and immunoglobulins enhance immunity. Applications of WPC, sports and fitness nutrition, protein powders, meal replacements, and energy bars. Infant and clinical nutrition, infant formula and dietary supplements for patients. Dairy and confectionery products, yogurt, ice creams, chocolate fillings, and desserts. Bakery and processed foods, cakes, bread, processed meat, and soups for texture enhancement. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the Food Tech, and turn on notifications for more insights on food safety and technology. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below.